My name is Josh Blankman from Desert Oasis Acupuncture in Albuquerque, New Mexico. My journey towards acupuncture started actually when I was a wee little lad of probably about 10. I was sick a whole lot, mostly respiratory stuff. Western medicine was not assisting me in getting better. And my mom took me to an acupuncturist, and I started to feel better. And the more I kind of asked questions and sort of like read about it, the more the philosophy, wholeness, interconnectedness, that we are more than biochemical reactions. This is for me. Years later, I got into acupuncture school, and here I am today. Acupuncture to me is about listening to the other person, not just to the words that they're saying, but what their body is saying. And sometimes there's a disconnect between what the body says and the words that are coming out of a person's mouth. And I find that fascinating and interesting. And that usually to me says there's deep-rooted issues, and it makes me a little bit more intrigued. I love exploring what that means, how the person exists, what challenges they've come across in their life, and how I can support them to make changes to become the people they want to become, emotionally, intellectually, and energetically. I discovered NES when I was in undergraduate school, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. I just finished watching the movie, What the Bleep Do We Know? I fell in love with what it was, and now it is just, it's more than the icing on the cake for me. It's an exponential assistance in being able to help people become who they want to be. I love everything about the NES system. The scan helps tremendously, just kind of explaining to people what goes on in their body. You know, if I start talking about, well, your chi is off today, you know, you just start to get looks of like, hey, you kind of sound a little bit crazy. Once they start getting that support, it's like that skepticism, it vanishes. Using mihealth, using infoceuticals, the scan, it all complements what I do as an acupuncturist. It makes the work that much easier to do, and it makes it quicker. The results last longer. When I tell people, you know, this infoceutical helps support your system as if you were getting acupuncture every day. They can't understand how something that's just water can help so much. It's a game changer. I have this, there's this one person that I've been seeing for a little bit of time. They came in because they were having difficulties with sleeping and had suffered some pretty stressful events for them in the past, and they had tried all sorts of other things to get good sleep, and, you know, to no avail. They came in for, you know, just a consult initially in their first treatment, and we did the scan, and I gave them 5 infoceuticals, and I said, this is all you need. In 1 month, you're going to be sleeping. They looked at me with quite a bit of hesitation. 1 month later, they're sleeping like a baby. They were amazed at the progress each week. They were like dumbfounded. They could not believe it. One of the things that most people complain about acupuncture is, I'm afraid of needles. And one of the great things about mihealth is no needles. So people's willingness to come in for treatment is great. Like, there's no fear, and so it's helping bring in clients for me.